Understanding the phrase, bake a pie. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a delicious aspect of the English language by understanding the phrase, bake a pie. By the end of this video, not only will you understand what it means, but you'll also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Bake and pie are the two main components of our phrase. Bake. This is a cooking method where you use dry heat, usually from an oven, to cook food. When you bake something, it means you're cooking it in an oven. Pie. This is a dish which is typically made of a pastry dough casing that contains a filling of various sweet or savory ingredients. So when we say, bake a pie, we're essentially talking about cooking a pie in an oven. The phrase, bake a pie, can be used both literally and figuratively. 1. Literal use, referring to the actual process of baking a pie. 2. Example, for Thanksgiving, I'm going to bake a pie with apples and cinnamon. 3. Figurative use, sometimes, the phrase can be used to mean doing something traditional or expected. 4. Example, instead of buying a cake for his birthday, why not bake a pie? It's a sweet and traditional gesture. While bake a pie is a common phrase, there are other variations or types of pies that might come up in conversations. Bake an apple pie refers specifically to baking a pie with an apple filling. Bake a pumpkin pie. This often refers to a pie baked with pumpkin filling, especially popular during the fall and for Thanksgiving in the U.S. And there we have it. The next time someone mentions they're going to bake a pie, you'll know whether they're heading to the kitchen or just making a traditional gesture. We hope this video has shed light on this delicious phrase. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beautiful nuances of the English language.